So still playing with the Everlast i-MIG 253DPi. This is a machine that was primarily designed for MIG welding aluminum. And you know what? Darn thing works. So we're in synergic mode. So the machine is making some of the decisions for me. We're in 2T on the trigger. And we are in 030 watt diameter wire. I am running 4043 aluminum wire, and we are set up on just pulse MIG, single pulse MIG. And the settings we have going here on the Preflow, I've got it set at 0.2 seconds. The come here. The inductance I have set at 3. The welding amps are set at 143. With the volts set to a minus 3.7, so that's 3.7% less than what the machine says I should have, depending on all the other settings. I wanted to cool it down just a little bit. And then the burn back I've got set at 0.1, and the volts I've got set at a minus 5, simply because with aluminum, I don't want any burn back. You know, there's not enough, hardly enough sticking out as it is. And, oh, and the post flow I have set at 4.7 seconds. And on the gun end of everything, I've got my Teflon liner installed in the gun and the cable. And then with the 030 wire, I'm running a 0.035 tip, a little bit bigger. So as the wire starts getting hot as you're welding, it's not going to seize inside the tip. So let me put my helmet on and we'll make some sparks. Okay, so playing with some 4043 aluminum, 1/8 inch thick. Let's get a couple of little tacks on it. Now let's run a bead across. So this is just where I got the little tack on one end and then the tack on the other. Yeah, I started there, went down this way with it. That's kind of pretty. So it works pretty good on single pulse MIG. What the heck? Let's take the pulse out of the equation. Let's just go back to straight MIG and see how it does on aluminum. So let's just trip it out of the pulse MIG and we'll take it back over to straight MIG. And what the heck? It's in synergic, 128 for the amps, 20.5 volts. It's what came up by itself. Let's give it a shot. And again, we're still playing with that 4043 1/8 inch aluminum plate, and this is just straight MIG with aluminum, running straight argon. So that's pretty damn good for just straight MIG working with aluminum. So now here is the straight MIG with no pulse that I just did. Here is the MIG with single pulse that I did earlier. The straight MIG is actually flatter, smoother. You know, like I may have the settings off just a little bit in the single pulse MIG. And for a MIG running through the stock cable, just got a Teflon liner in it, you know, pushing it out about 8-10 feet, I guess it is. That's pretty impressive. So those are just some of the aluminum capabilities on this Everlast i-MIG 253DPi. The only thing I haven't really played with on this machine is the stick function, and we'll just have to do that in another time. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to sneak out to my website and see what's going on out there, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, no.